Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. So we're here at Unbox Green Hills over there. So medyo madaming tao, sobrang exciting. But before anything else, meron tayong mga unbox na nandyan. Meron exciting na video sa YouTube channel ni Mrs. because she actually has a video with one of my idols, si Ninong Rai. So I'll let her talk about it. So babe, take the floor.
Yan, so nakipagkwentuhan kami sa Ka-Asenso with Gerard and Mitch with Ninong Rai. So he not only told us some tips kung paano mag-build talaga ng food business. Actually, not just business, not just food business, pero kahit anong negosyo talaga, yung sikreto niya. Nagkwento rin siya a bit on how he got to where he is. At sasagutin niya yung tanong na kung magtatayo ba siya ng restaurant in the future after ng pandemic. So please tune in. Ka-Asenso with Gerard and Mitch. And pag nagustuhan nyo, just subscribe and share. And of course, press the like button.
Yun. So guys, actually medyo hardcore yung YouTube channel ni Mrs. lately. Kasi, so guest niya ngayon si Ninong Rai. Pero yung guest niya last week, si Alodia.
Si Alodia.
So,
thank you, Alodia.
So if you haven't watched yet the videos, make sure to click the link down below. Nakapin dyan sa comments, Ka-Asenso with Gerard and Mitch. Okay? So kung gusto nyo makita ng Ka-Asenso with Carlo and Mitch, comment mo. Patay. Sorry Gerard. Peace. Okay guys, so with that said, let's get to the vlog. Okay, so before we continue with the vlog, hindi pa kasi namin alam na miso sa kami pupunta. Mag-unbox na ako ng shoe for you guys. So this is a new pickup from New Balance. It's the New Balance collaboration with Aime Leon Dore. Hindi ko alam paano pronounce, but I'll write it down there para makita nyo. Hindi ko talaga alam. So this is in green and yellow. So this is the New Balance, ano ba tawag dito? 550. So buksan natin siya. Super excited to get this pair and add it to the collection. So yan, no? Very nice. So kung titingnan ninyo, it has a white upper, pero meron siyang hits of cream or sail or off-white. So that's what the color that you see here in the midsole. And you also see that color over here. Tapos ang ganda lang ng execution, nung parang almost, ano ba tawag mo dyan? Parang, ganoon din, medyo brownish na off-white na color for the New Balance logo. Ito yung brand na nakakulab nila. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. Ikaw nga babe, pronounce mo? Pronounce mo ba yan?
Hindi ko rin ma-pronounce.
Aime, okay, di ba? Aime Leon. So yun, super excited to add this to the collection. Abangan nyo na lang yung on-feet siguro later today. But super happy. This is my first New Balance 550. Ganda. So at this point, we're heading over to... Saan tayo punta, babe?
Podium.
Yun. At nadaan lang ako na at Tokyo, which is one of my favorite watch shops. Going to pick up a new watch from Seiko. And then yeah, let's just see where saan tayo mapapadpad. Diba? So, ang cute ng penguin. So, andito tayo sa at Tokyo. Kasama ang aking mahiyaing kaibigan, si Darwin. So, titignan natin yung mga bago nilang relos and hopefully we get to buy one. So, excited. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bago. So, ano tawag? Presage na GMT na sharp edge. Medyo grand Seiko yung dating no? Ganda. So, pa-explain natin kay Darwin. Oh. Dapat isama kayo sa vlog. Ayan, medyo Okay, sige, game.
Hello Seiko. Hello po. Today po meron po tayong bagong new release ng Seiko Presage na tinatawag po natin sa category po na Sharp Edge. Nakikita nyo po sa design pa lang po nila, meron na po silang ginawa na napakagandang design. Lalo sa pagka-Japanese Asanoha pattern sa tinatawag sa pinaka-face dial niya na naka-line na rin po sa GMT. Tapos may additional na rin po silang power serve indicator.
Ganda nga no? So, panalo. Parang Grand Seiko yung pagkatira no?
Kaya nga sir mukhang mamahalin yung datingan.
Mahal naman talaga Pero panalo. So, isang kulay yan green no? Tapos yung the other one is blue.
Color blue. Tapos itong pinakabago po natin na color is black.
Black, ganda.
Pinaka-latest.
Daisy, kaway ka naman.
Hi! Welcome to Tokyo Podium.
Ano naman to?
Sir, yung pinaka-latest rin po ng ng Presage cocktail po natin po sir. Ayan po. Nakapaka-open heart po.
Open heart, no? Kasi ito blue.
Yes.
Ganda, oh.
Ganda, sir. Super.
Kasi ito green. Magkano to mga to?
Sila po ay nag-range po sila ng mga 18,860.
Medyo affordable pa.
Yes.
Medyo lang.
Yes.
Kaya yan, sir.
Oh, so kung nasisindak kayo sa 60,000, meron dito 20, ano ba yan, 19?
20,840.
20,800 na sobrang angas tingnan.
Ayun po, meron po tayong bagong release po ng after ng mga Presage, meron po tayong sporty type na datingan po natin.
So ano tawag dyan?
So ngayon po kasi po, limited edition po siya ng Seiko 5 Sports.
Nice. Ganda. From the bezel, pati yung face, medyo maangas tingnan. Ito magkano ulit ito? 20 something, no?
Yeah, it's 20,840.
Numbered ba to? Hindi.
Numbered series na rin po siya.
Ilan siya out of?
1,500 pieces worldwide po.
Worldwide.
Sobrang konti po, sir.
Ganda.
Perfect sa limited edition na idagdag nyo po sa pinaka-collections nyo po.
Okay, so guys, comment kayo which one dito sa lahat naman to ang gusto nyo i-add sa collection ninyo. So may napili na tayo isang relos, but I will show you which watch I ended up buying when we get home. We'll do a proper watch unboxing. It's actually not in any of the watches that I just showed you guys. So it's another piece that's not from the selection. So abangan yan in a few minutes. So we're back here in the condo and we have the watch that I was able to pick up from Tokyo. So excited na ako pakita sa inyo to. This is actually the new color of the 62 mass reinterpretation. I fell in love with it because number one, the color just pretty much matches a lot of the outfits that I wear, and two, it just looks really nice. I mean, you guys have to see it. So it comes in this Seiko Prospects box. If you pop the lid open, it actually comes originally with this dark brown or chocolate brown strap, but I swapped it out for a lighter shade that it had. It looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. Take a look at that watch, guys. Sobrang panalo. As in talagang OMG. This is, ang ganda. Sobrang nakakatuwa siya. So, man, sobrang nakaliw talaga ako. I mean, I have several Swiss watches from, you know, the more well-known brands such as Rolex, Omega, but man, there's something about Seiko's that really just gets to me. I think it has a lot to do with Seiko being my first watch when I was younger. And man, the designs and the story behind them, plus the fact that they're more practical to buy, considering, you know, the Swiss-made watches are so much more expensive, and this one, OMG, just puts a smile on my face. So again, the reason why I like this is the color. It matches a lot of some of the shoes that I have going on, just pops really well. And it's a nice like accent watch that doesn't necessarily have to cost you so much money, no? So again, that's the watch that we were able to bring home. Man, absolute stunner of a piece. Super like this one. Let me know what you guys think of this watch in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from you. I'll do a proper watch like review on my watch channel on this watch in the next few days, so just watch out for that when it drops. I'll link down below to my watch channel as well. Okay, now before we end the vlog, I just have two big announcements. Number one, just in case you guys haven't seen yet on the NAS Daily Facebook page, it was announced that I will be part of a roster of creators that will have like their own NAS Academy. So it will be like the Carlo Ople Academy. So the plan is to come out with a course that will teach aspiring and existing creators on how to turn their YouTube channel, Instagram account, Facebook pages into revenue monsters. As in talagang legit businesses. So if that interests you, make sure to check out the NAS Academy Philippines page and sign up to be notified when the course is about to drop. I think it will be either late August, maybe around late July or early August. I'm not too sure yet. But just sign up. And once it becomes available or more information becomes available, you guys will get notified. Maraming salamat to NAS Daily and NAS Academy for trusting me with this one. I am definitely super excited and super stoked to work on that one and to share that course with you guys. And the second big announcement is it's not really more of an announcement, it's just a thank you. I just want to thank every single one of you who has been supporting Unbox Green Nails in our live selling, specifically with Lazada. So maraming salamat lang. I mean, I'm having so much fun doing the live selling sessions every Saturday. So if you guys haven't joined any of our live selling sessions, they happen every Saturday, 7 p.m. So, ang saya lang talaga niya. Sama na kayo, Lazada app. Anyway, so yun lang yun. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick vlog. I just put together something random for this Saturdays just so I can share something with you. But expect more crazy, nice content in the next few days. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.